Do you have an iPhone? Then you halal like this guide. Because he will show you how to activate the hidden feature of 120 Hz today. Let us get started. By default, only 60 Hz are activated. But you can unlock that. It is deeply hidden and we will show you how you can activate it. First, go to your browser and type in here, what is my refresh rate? Then take the first UFO test and here you can test what your actual refresh rate is. Here, and when we look at this, you will see we only have 60 FPS here. I can scroll here as much as I want. Nothing changes. It stays at 60 FPS. I don't have more because I have to activate this function first. And this is deeply embedded in the system. For this, you need to go to the settings. And then you need to scroll down to the point. Apps. Here you need to go in. Then scroll down until you reach your browser. I have Safari here. Select this one. So there is my browser. I select this one. I tap on it. Then scroll all the way down and here there is the point called advanced. So click here. And when you are there, scroll all the way down to feature flags. You need to go in here. Of course, make sure you have the latest software versions. So now there are 1,000 different menu items here. The whole thing is sorted alphabetically. Make sure you are on PSO. And here we have prefer page rendering update near 60 FPS is activated. We need to deactivate this. Don't you worry if you clicked or selected something wrong here. Because if you scroll all the way down, you can reset the settings again. We have now activated this feature. Now we should have 120 FPS. And what are we testing? We are closing the browser and restarting the browser. Then we should have the 120 FPS. So here it is calculated and tada, the result is here. We have activated 120 FPS. You see how hidden this feature is. How you have to navigate through the menu here. Do you have questions about this guide? Then please use the comment function. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.